Hello, my name is Lester Hernandez, and I'll be doing a quick introduction of the contents of user story 2531, which consisted of developing improved filters UI to refine a property search. This user story was developed for the project BreazeHome version 4.0. Our product owner and instructor is Dr. Masood Sajadi, and BreazeHome is simply a real estate website to provide students with an environment in which they can learn Scrum and Agile software development concepts. Contact information, if needed, can be found on screen. The user story covered in this video consisted of developing the filters dropdowns in the results page. The location for the drop-down filters button will be here. Once we click that, the filters would expand, and we can display more filters if we choose to do so. Some of the basic functionalities of the filters are sliders, so we can adjust the functionality of a selected filter. We also have drop-down buttons, so we can adjust the values in a different way if we choose to do so. We can also select or deselect certain buttons that can be checked or unchecked. We can select all accordingly. We also have density histograms to display the density of properties in a certain interval of a given filter. For example, this bar would indicate the amount of properties that have either 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. And from the chart, we can see that this interval contains more properties than the interval 1 to 2, but at the same time it has less properties than the interval 3 to 4 bedrooms. We can apply any filter, which will change the count displayed on any of the given charts. The charts update dynamically, which means that if a filter is changed, all the other charts would take that into account when displaying their overall distribution. And we can obviously reset our filters. Once a filter is applied, the list of property cards shown over here is updated to reflect the values on the filters, as well as the properties shown on the map. Therefore, the properties listed on the cards list would be the same properties displayed on the map, and they would all be the result of the filters being applied. That's a short description of this feature. It was developed using AngularJS, which consists of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Those were the technologies used for the desktop front end, which is where this feature is located. Requests are being made to the backend using the property service. The backend API consists of Django REST framework, and the database is PostgreSQL. This has been a short introduction to the filters and refined search feature. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me or Dr. Masood Sajadi. Thank you very much.